What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Pure Panorama. As promised, tonight I just got home from work. We got a package in the mail. Let's go ahead, not even waste any time, and open this sucker up. See what we got. Yes, I did order this from Amazon, and huge shout out to my boy Chad Meyer 73 for hooking me up with these part numbers so that I didn't have to waste time at work yesterday and try and track these down. I reached out to him because I know that he's already done this install on his truck, so he just looked back in his orders, got me the numbers, and you rock, my friend. Everybody go over to his channel and give his latest video a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed to him, you better hit that subscribe button and join his family as well, because his family is my family. We're all family. Enough talking though, let's get into this box. That is right, folks. We got the Gates Fleet Runner Micro V serpentine belt so we can get this installed on the truck. There is a nice part number for you. I keep meaning to put parts numbers in the videos when I get new stuff or I do an install, and well, I always forget. I'm pretty bad at that. I know. You guys can yell at me in the comment section, but I'm gonna do my damnedest to try and remember to give you parts numbers from here on out and show you what they are when I get the parts. So this is the belt, man. This is supposed to help with the Cummins squeak, all that good stuff. This is the go-to belt that everybody switches to with these second gens especially. So we finally got this. This has been a long overdue part on my 24 valve Cummins. I've been needing to do this now for a while. I actually wanted to order this like last fall, and just never did. Got preoccupied. You know how things go. You get doing other stuff, but here we are, baby. We got the belt now, and to go with the belt, we got the belt tensioner as well, which that part number is 38157, also made by Gates, or made in China, as you see right there. Don't believe me? There you go. Made in China. So these two things, man, I'm telling you, we've needed these for a while now. This right on the back of this, I'm just gonna read this to you, says provides the longest life on the most demanding applications while offering the lowest cost per mile. That's what Gates is telling you, basically. It also tells you to inspect the belt at 60,000 miles and just go right ahead and replace it at 90,000. And if I had to guess, looking at the belt that's on my truck, well, I would have to say that thing probably has never been changed. Maybe it's been done once, but it probably should have been done at least like 2 or 3 times by now. But yeah, they say do this every 90,000 miles for a replace, and that would translate to an inspection at 100,000 kilometers and replacing it at 150,000 kilometers for you Canadian guys. Did I do that right? That's what they said anyways. Don't blame me. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just reading what they got on the package. But let's go look at the belt on the truck and see what kind of shape it's in, because, well, it's not in that good a shape. So let's take a peek. I'll have to have one of my kids pick that up or something. I'll give them like an Oreo for dessert or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out.